friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make skin brightening and lightening rice and honey face scrub. This face scrub will be more beneficial for acne prone skin. Let us get into the video. We need only two ingredients to make this scrub. The first thing is rice. Rice flour will act as a great exfoliator. Grind the rice to get the rice flour. The second thing is honey. Honey is a natural skin lightening agent. Honey will be helpful in clearing the acne causing bacteria. Take a clean bowl, add in a tablespoon of grinded rice flour. With that, add in a tablespoon of honey. Now mix this well to get a smooth paste which is easy to spread on your face. Apply the scrub to all over your face and neck evenly and start massaging it in a gentle circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat dry your skin with a clean and dry towel. You can feel the difference from the very first use itself. Regular usage of this scrub will give you smooth and moisturized skin. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Feel free to comment any suggestion about this video.